Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did this super groovy, radical 80s makeup look, and it's going to be super cool and kawaii and fun. So yeah, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and let's get started. Also my Twitter and Instagram down below in the description box. Yep, okay. Wow. I forgot to show you guys. Look, I got my ears pierced for the first time. They hurt a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, so I want to show you. Okay. Enjoy the video. Hi everybody, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with some foundation. And yeah, pump some on my hand. I just washed my face too, so it's nice and clean. Dab, dab, dab. Dab away. Now I'm just going to go in with some concealer. If you've seen more of my makeup videos, you know I use kind of the same stuff. Because, you know, I'm not super rich booty guru. Nope. But I still have fun. And now I'm going to go in with some concealer. I meant contour. We're not going to use concealer. I said that wrong. My bad. Okay, back to the video. We're gonna contour. And chisel out the cheekbones. Doo-doo. You know, the usual. Can't believe summer's almost over. Gonna have to go back to college. That's okay. Learning's good, kids. How's that look? Okay. Contouring done. Time for blush, and then let's get to that groovy 80s eyeshadow. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Blush. Still got my unicorn brushes. Ooh, it smells like peaches. None of this is sponsored, by the way. Just doing a cute makeup look. Like those old cell phones, like. Do we need more? A little bit more. Okay, I'll stop. Stop! And now, time for eyeshadow. I'll be using this palette today. We're going to use a little bit of blue shadow. Oh yeah, this color is going on great. No, it's not. Actually, I would still wear this to school. I'm gonna add a little bit of this pinky shade. Fabulous. Gorgeous. Yep. And should we add glitter? I mean, we're kind of living in a re-80s decade right now, so let's add glitter. My Little Pony guys, yep. I don't know what that was. Ignore that. My Little Pony ColourPop Cosmetics Sunbeam shade. Okay. Now onto eyeliner. And some mascara. How do we look? And now I'm going to add some lip gloss. I'm gonna get my lip gloss out of here. The whole drawer came out. Okay. gonna go with something more pink, but I want to stay lighter pink. This probably won't be a lighter pink. This is probably gonna be very, very pink, but I don't care. Oh my gosh. Not to be, like, not humble, but I'm a goddess. And highlighter! We forgot about highlighter. No, we haven't used. I haven't used this highlighting palette in a long time. I forgot I even had it. So yeah. Going in with purple. I dropped my brush. This is why I cleaned them in the last video, because this stuff happens. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like this look for back to school if you're feeling the 1980s. And I will see you all in my next video, and until then, I love you guys. Bye!